YouTube, this is what happens when a tornado comes through the valley. It's not pretty.
I mean, right there.
Right now it's just trees.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, they have to go down the road. See where the trailer park's over in the creek down there. You can see it.
You can see a tree. It's coming up. It's been knocked down. Where is that zoom button? Oh, where's zoom?
Up there on the top?
Oh yeah, I remember. Zoom out, zoom in. Okay.
You know, it's unreal how it leave up an old house like
That did not affect the tornado.
What is that?
You can see it coming up.
You know it? Because they built in the same place. Hey, look here. Damage.
It's bad.
You see, huh?
Look over here, Benny. Point over here.
I see it over there. The camera widen out, widen
You
out.
see, we got to come right back through here too so you can see.
You can see over there. It came through. It came in that direction.
Yeah.
It came from here,
Look over there.
and it went over here, and it did this.
Look laying over here.
It tipped that over.
Yeah, they tipped that over. And just look at the tractor, the trailer parts down there in the creek.
There's a trailer stuck in the water.
You'll see it once we come across up here. There's a building up here tore all to pieces.
This is just tore all to pieces.
I know what a tornado can do, but
Tore all this to pieces. There's a little building, maybe. Did they pull it out?
No, not yet. They pulled it out.
Tornado.
This big building up here. This is about the extent of it right up here at this big building right here. And all of its parts is down underneath the hill.
Ta-da!
The wood, stuff and all tore that down there. Chimney off of that house.
Oh, I want to get out. So you need to show them the other side. You need to pull in here, right here, Papa.
Pull in right here.
See,
Yeah.
that's where they're taking pictures there on that, down
Right
in that
there.
holler over there. That's where everything is in that holler.
Let's get out.
No, what that holler.
Tornado came through, and this is what happens. There's metal all over the place.
All the buildings over here.
It would.
which might run it